Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charmy here and I'm bringing you another video. If you are a new subscriber, hello girl, welcome. My name is Charmy. I do videos on beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You will not be disappointed. And make sure you hit that like button and the notification bell. And go ahead and share this video with someone who you think will benefit from it. Also, if you are my returning subscribers, hey, welcome back. You are the GOAT because y'all are always returning back each and every video, and I love you for it. So I don't want to talk and waste your time. Let's jump straight into the video. So for today's video, it's gonna be something different. I'm actually gonna do my nails. Yes, press on nails because I do not like to spend money at the shop anymore. Although it is a nice way to pamper myself, but it's a waste of money because I do hair. So I'm not the type to do hair with nails. I can't. But I've just been wanting nails lately, so why not go ahead and go on and put on some press on? So y'all just stay tuned and watch how I put on my press on nails. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a paper towel or just something you can put. You don't mind putting some acetone on. You're gonna need Pure Acetone, brush on nail glue, nail clippers, a nail drill, file, whatever you want to call this. Now I know it's called an e-file correctly. And I got this from Dollar Tree. Had it for a while now. And of course you're gonna need your press on nails. So these are going to be the nails that I'll be using. I got these from Dollar Tree a while ago and I just never used them, so why not go ahead and use them? Let's go ahead and jump into the voiceover portion of the video. So first you want to start off by making sure your hands are washed very nicely. Make sure your nails very clean, and then go ahead and take your acetone and clean off all of your nail beds. And the reason for the acetone is to make sure that your nails are oil free. It will remove any excess oil that you have on your nails. So next we're gonna go ahead and clip our natural nails down because the nails are so short and they're clear. You'll be able to see my natural nail up underneath the press on, and I don't really like that whole look of being able to see my natural nail through the press on nail. So, and being the fact that they're short, go ahead and cut down your natural nails as low that makes you comfortable. For me, I don't need any at all, so I'm gonna clip them fairly short, but not to the point where I'm making my finger bleed. I'm going to take my e-file and I'm going to clean up my cuticle area. Now, I don't really clean up my cuticle area to the point where you have already made your nails bleed or you have caused a hangnail, because that can happen. I just very lightly go over my cuticle just to remove some of that dead skin that's up underneath there. Now with e-file you can't expect but so much because it is from Dollar Tree, but it gets the job done for a beginner who doesn't really know how to use a professional e-file. So I think it's safe to say to go ahead, you can go to Dollar Tree and pick up a dollar e-file. So now I'm going to switch my drill bit, I believe that's the correct term that you use, and I'm going to get the buffer one so I can buff out all the ridges in my nails. That will allow the glue to have a flat surface to stick to, which will ensure that your press-ons last you longer than a couple of days. And then once I already went ahead and switched it, I'm going to lightly buff the ridges out of my nails. You do not want to go overboard with the buffing. You can thin out your nail and cause soft spots in your nails, and that's a big no-no. So please be careful when y'all doing that. Next, we're taking the acetone again, and you want to clean up all of the dust and everything's off of your nail beds before you begin to glue down any nails. You want your nail beds clean and oil free at all times. Now with these Dollar Tree nails, I believe you are only getting, what is that? Maybe 12 nails. You literally have 10 nails on each hand, and they only gave you 2 extra. So with that being said, you can already guarantee that you're gonna have some filing down to do because they did not give you 2 nails that are the same size. You only have 1 nail that will fit perfectly on your nail. The rest of them you are going to have to file them down to your nail size. That's not nothing to complain about. I mean, what do you expect for $1? So what I would recommend for you to do with this is make sure you have a really good nail file. It doesn't have to be nothing expensive. The Dollar Tree ones work perfectly fine. But just make sure you are filing down the sides of the nail and around the cuticle bed of the nail to make sure that it is fitting properly. The last thing you want is for the nail to hang over on the sides of your nail and don't fit your cuticle area correctly. The next, I'm using the Kiss brush on nail glue, and I'm going to place a coat of glue on the back of the nail. Now you don't have to go all the way to the tip of the nail, just as much as you think is going to cover your nail bed. And make sure you're putting a decent amount of glue on the back of the nail. You want it to last you for however long you would like your nails to last. Now don't get me wrong, they're not going to last you like 3 weeks, a month, nothing like that, but you want to last at least a week and a half, possibly 2 if you're not rough with your hands. And then after you place the glue on the back of the nail, you want to turn around and place a nice amount on your nail also. And then you want to begin to place the nail on. Now when you put the nail on, start putting pressure from the cuticle area towards the tip. That will eliminate you getting any air bubbles in your nails. If you do get an air bubble, quickly remove the nail and try to reapply it, starting with the pressure from the back of the cuticle towards the tip of the nail. And this glue dries very, very fast, so you have nothing to worry about. It will literally dry and become intact within 30 seconds. So yes, that's a short amount of time, but that's a good thing. It will not take you very long to do a whole full set of nails. So then you want to repeat the process for the rest of your fingers, and then once that is complete, your nails are literally done. Okay, so this is the final results. They're not too short, they're not too long. I'm gonna be able to braid with them, and they're gonna last me a week plus. I can guarantee that, because the way that I went about putting them on and making sure that you use Pure Acetone takes all the oil out of your nails, so your nail beds aren't oily and they're gonna last, they're gonna stick. So yeah, but that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching. Hope you went ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the like button too. Go ahead and do that right now. And until next time, may God continue to bless and keep you. Mwah.